In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Gamma I. We'll go from opening the site to exporting a polished deck so you can build something impressive in minutes. First, head to the Gamma website and click Sign Up, log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click Create New to start a fresh project. You'll be asked how you want to begin. You can generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or pick a template. For speed and solid structure, choose Generate with AI. You can always refine the output afterward. Now enter your topic in the prompt box. Keep it clear and specific, like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. You can add a short note about the audience or goal if you like. Then click Generate. Gamma will draft a full presentation with organized sections and slide content. Review what it created and make it yours. Click any slide to edit the text, tighten headlines, or clarify points. Add or remove sections to match your message, and drag slides to reorder the flow. Aim for one core idea per slide and verify any facts or figures. Next, personalize the look. Switch the theme or style to set the overall vibe and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Drop in images, icons, or videos to add visual interest. Gamma's layouts keep spacing and alignment clean, so your design stays consistent without extra work. If you need more material, click plus add card, and choose what to insert: text, images, videos, charts, or embeds like links and websites. Charts help make data clear, and embeds are great for live content that you don't want to copy-paste. To polish the wording, highlight any text and open the AI options. Use rewrite to change phrasing, expand to add detail, or simplify to make complex sections easier to understand. Guide the tone if needed, professional, friendly, or concise, and keep your voice consistent across slides. When you're ready, click Present to enter slideshow mode for a clean, full-screen delivery, or click Share to send a link and collaborate with others in real time. Finally, export your presentation as a PDF or a PowerPoint file if you need to share offline or import elsewhere. For the easiest updates, sharing a link is often the best choice. That's it. You've created a polished presentation in Gamma quickly and confidently. Happy presenting!